Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So today I'm here with an interesting tutorial. I was reading on online in my Facebook wall, and Tim gave a very good idea which I wanted to share with you guys. Because that seems very convincing for me in case if you want to increase your local SEO sales or your Google My Business sales. That is something uh, convinced me too much that I wanted to show you guys on this. Like, it takes a couple of minutes, and you can add emojis in your business profile like this, and uh, just look around. Let me show you so you guys have an idea. So you can look around in the offer that if you add different emojis in the offer, it makes highly attractive. Okay, this is for those whose GMB profiles are already ranked, or if their people are looking for your directions. So it is for those that in case if you want to increase your attention, grab a customer's attention, in case if you want to increase more sales, do try this tip, and definitely you may get the audience attention very much. Personally, I'm very convinced. And looking at the restaurant, I may not have been convinced with the restaurant. Also the feature reviews are very good, and that is a very good add-on. The restaurant is 4 minutes away. It's open at the moment, closes at 10 p.m. But in the offer section, the emojis grabbed my attention. Look, just look at yourself. Just think of it as a visitor and see if it grabs your attention or if it attracts you. Just do add this. Consider this as a small tip. Again, credits to Tim for this tip, and this can uh, definitely increase your sales for your local SEO, Google My Business profile, what are you gonna call it. So I hope you like this, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you want to see tutorials or tips like this. And in case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, SEO, local SEO, web development services, you can hire me and my team. All you have to do is to click in one of the link in the description to get started with us, and we offer various deals. Just click with the contact us, and me and my team can help you in creating an optimized awesome campaign. So once again, thank you for watching, and do try this tip, and you can let me know in the comments in case if you find this useful. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.